So this is some market analysis for the US dollar CAD, and pretty much as I usually do, I start on the monthly time frame. Now change my mic position, and this should affect the audio somewhat. And if you have got issues in regards to the audio, or there's something you think I need to do, move the mic further away from where its current position, then do write it in the comment section. But let's get into this US dollar CAD position now. The price, let's just see, we've got a structure there, which was like I think they called it a wedge. We had broken out to the downside. Price has come down to near that 120 level where we'd expect it to go. Has to appear to be reacting of the 200 period moving average, which is there in blue. So we are below the month's open, so we do have a bearish bias. And let's have a look on the weekly chart. Where are we? On the weekly chart, we are trading above the week's open. So we are trading above the week's open, which is counter to the larger trend to the downside. Now we are trading above the week's open. So if you are a brave soul, you could take cautionary longs on this market. But at present, I am bearish this market. Now, the move to the upside in the dollar could likely be, or is most likely, a result of the much anticipated FOMC decision on Wednesday. So it could be market players positioning themselves to take advantage, or those that believe that the US dollar has sold down far enough. So yeah, picking reversals are somewhat dangerous. So pretty much picking a reversal spot, despite the fact that we have got a strong bias to the downside, does have its dangers. Now, that's the weekly time frame, which I said the week's open is the most important. If we go down to the daily, let's see where we are. And daily, you could see that we have had that consolidation of the large move to the downside, and we've got candles increasingly posting and closing at higher closing near their high, breaking outside of the you could say the structure to the downside. So like for example, yesterday's candle is much larger than the candles of the consolidation, plus it is also closed to the upside by quite a bit, closing near its high. So you could argue that cautionary longs may be the tune of the day. If we go down to the 60-minute chart, and again, we've had price move beyond the 200 period moving average. It's gone further up, all up to almost testing at 123 level. We have got some consolidation below, appears to be building. Now, if we do take this move and look at this structure here, the price currently is on the 60-minute. I suppose most traders look at this as a formation of a bull flag before a continuation to the upside on the US dollar CAD, which will be counter to the primary trend of downward momentum on the larger time frame. So what's my position on US dollar CAD? It's a difficult one, as not all the time frames have aligned. But as I have said, that the week's open is my most important point of pivot. As we are trading above it, I would be looking for long opportunities, despite the fact that it is in contradiction with the fact that it does contravene somewhat the monthly time frame. So US dollar CAD based on a weekly open, I'll be looking for bullish buy signals. Also being aware of possible support and resistance, horizontal, as well as dynamic support and resistance. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Remember LCS, like, comment, subscribe, and again, thanks.